blue, green, brown, or something in between. The science of eye color explained. You're introduced to someone and your attention gets on their mama. You're introduced to someone and your attention gets on their age. They may be a rich, earthy brown, a pale blue, or red green that shifts with every feature and light. Eyes have a way holding us or sparking resignation or curiosity or curiosity before a single word is spoken. They're often the first thing we notice about someone, and sometimes the feature we remember most. Across the world, many ages span when brown is by far most common shade, especially in Africa and Asia, while blue in modern of Northern and Eastern Europe. Green and red of all found in only about in 2% of the global population. Hazel eyes in even more diversity are often referring to a shift between green and brown depending on the light. So what lies behind this difference? It's all in the melanin. The ozone lies in erase the color range of the tissue that surrounds the pupil. Here, a brightly colored melanin does most of our burn eyes contain a high concentration of melanin, which absorbs light and creates their darker appearance. Blue eyes contain very little melanin. The color doesn't come from pigment at all, but from the scattering of light within the eyes. The physical effect, known as the Tycho effect, embodied like the effect that makes the sky looks blue. In blue eyes, the shortened wavelengths of light, such as blue, are experienced more efficiently than longer wavelengths like red or yellow. Due to the low concentration of melanin, less light is absorbed, allowing the scarcity blue light to dominate. That's why perspective is blue the result and the pigment would form the west by alternate with the eye structure. Green eyes result from a balance, a moderate amount of melanin layered with light scattering. Hazel eyes are more complex, still uneven melanin distribution and light rich mosaic of color can be achieved depending on the surrounding ambient light. What has genetics got to do with it? Genetics of eye color and just as fascinating. For a long time, scientists developed a simple brown bridge blue model controlled by a single bit. Research now shows the reality is much more complex. Many genes contribute to determining color. This explains why children in the same family can have genetically different eye colors, and why two blue-eyed parents can sometimes have a child with green or even likes both eyes. Eye colors also change over time, and many babies of European ancestry and born with blue and gray eyes because the melanin levels are still low. A pigment gradually builds up over the few modern days of life. Rose blue eyes may shift to green and brown in adulthood. Eye color tends will be stable, so small changes appear common and depending on light, clothing, and pupil size. For example, blue gay can appear very even blue depending on ambient light. More permanent side. A red can occur and people age or response to certain medical conditions that affect melanin in the iris. The real curiosities, and then are the real curiosities environmental aware when as the different color from the other one are iris contains two distinct colors. The red with striking it can be genetic, the result allergy, or linked to specific health conditions. Celebrities such as Kate Bush and Mila Kunis and well-known example. musician David Bowie has applied different colors because of a permanently delayed pupil after an accident, giving the illusion of heterochromia. In the end, a color is more than just a quirk of genetics and physics. It's a reminder It's a reminder of how biology and beauty intertwine. Each is a tiny universe, strings of pigment, flecks of gold, of balls of deep brown, and catch the light differently every time you look. Eyes don't just see the world, they also connect us together with a blue, green, brown, and something in between. Every part tells a story that's uniquely unique, one of heritage, individuality, and the quiet wonder and being human. 10 years ago, gravitational wave changed astronomy. New discovery shows there's more to come. 10 years ago, scientists had the universe. 10 years ago, gravitational waves changed astronomy. A new discovery shows there's more to come. 10 years ago, scientists had the universe rumble for the first time. That first discovery of digital waves was a radical from Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity and began a new era of astronomy. Now, a new gravitational wave discovery marks the anniversary of this major breakthrough. Published today in Physics Review Letters, it's put to rest a theory from another giant scientist, Stephen Hawking. What are gravitational waves? Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of space-time that travel at the speed of light. They are caused by highly accelerated massive objects. Your eyes contain black holes on the image of missing star remains now a neutron stars. These ripples, representing through the universe, were first directly observed in September 14 in 2015. By the Twin Laser Infrared Gravitational Wave Observatory or LIGO, the first in the United States. That versinya called GWN1509114 originated from the collision of two black holes, with more than 30 times the mass of the Sun and more than a billion light years away from the Earth. This was the first direct proof of gravitational waves, exactly and predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity and 100 years earlier. This discovery led to award of the 2017 Nobel Prize in Physics and Rainer Weiss, Barry Barish, and Kip Thorne for the pioneering role on the LIGO collaboration. Hundreds of scientists in less than a decade. Since 2015, more than 30 gravitational waves have been observed by LIGO, along with the Italian Virgo and Japanese Kaguya detectors. Just a few weeks ago, the International Virgo Alcaglo collaboration released the results from their first observation run, more than doubling the number of ground gravitational waves. Now, 10 years after the first discovery, and international collaboration, including Australian scientists from the Australian Research Council Centre of Excellence for Gravitational Wave Discovery, (AUSGRADE), has announced a new gravitational wave signal. The signal is a most carbon copy and that very first gravitational wave signal. The black hole collision responsible for NGV and had a similar physical properties to However, due to significant upgrades to the gravitational waves detector over the past 10 years, and the new signal is seen much more clearly, almost 4 times as loud and excitingly, it allows us to put the test and negative numbers another one breaking physics. Okay, was I too. More than in 50 years ago, physicists Stephen Hawking and Jacob Bekenstein independently formulated a set of laws that describe black holes. Hawking's second law of black hole mechanics, also known as Hawking area theorem, states the area even horizon a black hole must always increase. In other words, black holes can shrink. Meanwhile, baseline shows the area black hole directly relates to its entropy and scientific definition of disorder. The second law in thermodynamics lets tell us that entropy must always increase. The universe is always getting messier, and since the entropy of a black hole must also increase with speed, it tells us that its area must also increase. How can we test these ideas? Colliding black holes, it turns out, are the perfect tool. The precision of the measurement allows scientists to perform the most precise of the Hawking area theorem to date. Previous tests using the first detection shows the signal was in good agreement with Hawking law, but could not confirm its conclusive. Black holes are surprisingly simple objects. The horizon area of a black hole depends on its mass and spin, the only parameters necessary to describe an astrophysical black hole. In turn, the mass and spins determine what the gravitational wave looks like. By separately measuring the mass and spin of the incoming pair of black holes and comparing these mass and spin of the final black hole after the collision, scientists were able to compare the areas of the individual colliding black holes to the area of the final black holes. The data shows an agreement with the theoretical prediction that the area should increase, confirming Hawking without a doubt. Which giant of science will put text next? Future gravitational waves observation, which allow to test more exotic scientific theory and maybe even prove the nature of the missing components of the universe, dark matter and dark energy. Why did Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru resign, and who might replace him? Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba and has bought 2 weeks of pressure from within his party and announced his resignation. Less than a year after taking office, his departure plunged Japan back into political uncertainty, reviving fears of a return to the revolving door. Prime Minister who dominated the 1990 and left in 2000 before Shinzo Abe restored stability in 2012. Whoever succeeds him must not only legendary Belarus Democratic Party or LDP, but also restore public trust in political system bettered by scandals, factional infighting, and rising voter skepticism about one-party dominance. When is Ishiba leaving? Ishiba took office only last September after Fumino Kishida stepped down amid a string of scandals. He inherited a deeply troubled party. Kishida was forced out in 2024 after revelation of extensive ties between LDP and Unification Crunch. The crunch has long been controversial in Japan, but became even more so after assassination in 2022 by a man who laid a grudge against it. The crunch ties to the LDP were a rival shortly with the ever a slush fund scandal further eroded public in the party. Ishiba promised reform and stricter accountability, but this tension arraigns many senior figures, especially those implicated in the scandals, is sought to comfort. The LGP lost in the lower house majority soon after its election, followed by further setbacks, including a defeat in Julian Perry in the House poll. Calls for Ishiba to quit Revolver, with party ways warning on of a split in the conservative base in her chunk powder. Over the weekend, have finally surrendered. Ishiba justified the timing by turning to the risk of political vacuum during ongoing trade talks with the United States, which an agreement of tariff reduction concluded last week. He yielded to critics without resorting to the traditional prime ministerial weapon of solving parliament to the silence his rivals. The decision might appear puzzling. Recent polls shows Ishiba's popularity edging upward. Such ordinary voters and warming to him, but his downfall underlines how much wise LGP outweighs the odds behind the scenes, practicing an internal discipline over electoral momentum. Koizumi versus Takachi, the leadership race in already Norway, with a vote is picked in early October. Two names stand out on the list in Shinjiro Koizumi, 44, son of Prince Masayoshi Shinjiro Koizumi, representing the party's more liberal wing, has previously expressed support from same-sex marriage and allowing married couples to use parents' names, position that set him apart in LGP. As agriculture minister in Ishiba's government, he won recognition for taking rising energy price and pushing reform the sector long tied to LDP patronage politics. Charismatic and popular with voters, Koizumi has cultivated ties with the opposition Japan Restoration Party. The support called both in crucial and LDP forging a new coalition or showing up its ministerial government with its coalition partner Komitsu and which would since need opposition working to pass legislation. Its cousin, he would become Japan's youngest ever prime minister, while the other side stands Senator Takashi and staunch conservative who finished runner-up in last year's leadership race. And Steph Yields and her ability legacy. She opposed namesakes Marriott and dual surnames, a river constitutional division of creativity and the role of the country's self-defense force and rigorous right to need and challenge Japan's military posture. He has manifestly himself to UK Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher, calling for both fiscal spending and monetary easing of the grave growth. If elected, she would become Japan's first female prime minister, took her husband position called Stein with coalition partner and Komitsu. At CBS 4-week put Koizumi and Takashi next each 19% While a Nike survey from August 31 gives Takagi a slim lead in 23%, just 1 point ahead of Koizumi. Other contenders main against him begins, including Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshimasa. Much will depend on the choice of election format, veterans and file members get a say or only lawmakers in parliament. Either way, candidates need a support of 20 members of the Japan parliament to enter the race. Hashtags from Japan's ruling party the tax could not be higher, with Ishiba departure hopes of becoming LGP have fight. If the new leaders fails to regain public confidence, the party risks falling victim to its own long dominance. To maintain power, it has been locked into defending the status quo, while the new right-wing populist challengers such as Sensei gaining ground with anti-foreigner rhetoric. With the next election not to until in 228, Japan is entering another uncertain political chapter. Whether LDP emerges strength or weight will depend not just who replaces Ishiba, but whether the party can convince a skeptical public and is capable of renewal.